Okay, it's finally time to react to Pula by Sonara. Sonara. Naku, si Nami yun. Si Nami yun. Sabi na nga ba si Nami? Okay. Nasa Kamalig sila. Warehouse. Hindi Kamalig. Okay. Okay, we've heard this in the OPM Con. Is this another car-based, car-themed video ng mga P-pop? It is! Bakit uso ang mga kotse sa P-pop ngayon? Diba, meron ng G22, meron ng Bini, meron ng SB19. Okay. Nakatira sila sa warehouse. Ito ang aking favorite. Nagpagupit. Don't tell me they're gonna do. Okay. Ito. So, i-restore nila yung kotse. Binato si Nami sa mukha. Naku, ayaw mag-start. Okay. Naku naman. Teka. Direk. Bakit naman ganyan ang shot mo, Direk? Dumating si pangalan ito, si Ella ba to? Teka. Pero natakpan ng mukha niya, di ba? Bakit ganyan yung shot mo, Direk? Dumating siya tapos nakatakip naman ng mukha. Bakit naman ganun, Direk? Sayang ang acting niya. Okay. Yung styling nila, it's almost the same as in Tabi. Diba? Basically the same concept ng styling ng damit. Naku, nginitian siya. Nginitian si Eureka. Alam ko, meron ako nakitang vlog nila na sa Reels, nagdadrive sila diba? Okay. Okay. Hindi naman pinakita yung mga Ayan, sumayaw din sa wakas. Ang saya nila. Nakakatuwa ito. Okay. Oh, may naman ngayon. Arcade. Ganyan ba talaga mga girls pag may nagawa? Magtatalo na ng nakabilog. Sa bagay, ganun sa volleyball, 'di ba? Nagtatalunan sila pag nakascore. Let's review it again from the beginning. Teka, meron pa palang meron pang post-credit. Uy, umandar na. Okay. Nakatira sila sa warehouse. 'Di ba? Nice. Okay, that's a good. Okay naman. It's a good music video, MV. Nothing super spectacular, 'di ba? But there's a story in there, a friendship trying to accomplish something together. That's the story of the Pula MV. And that's good because they're starting their new group and yun yung yun yung isang hindi ginawa nung nung 1Z for Sonara, 'di ba? They did not go the route na yung mga reality show, yung mga kasi nagkaroon sila ng extensive na tawag dito, audition for Sonara. And di ko alam kung dinocument nila yung buong proseso nung training nila, how they were chosen, the audition tapes. Are they planning to release that someday? Hopefully they do, 'di ba? Hopefully they documented it. For sure may mga VTRs 'yan. May mga dance practices. Maybe that's something that's kumbaga hinahanda for the future strategically, hopefully. Although parang you'd think you're gonna release those sa beginning ng kanilang career to establish the bond between these girls. But you know what? Bahala kayo sa buhay nyo kung anong gusto nyo gawin. Diba? However they want to do it, that's fine with me. It's their product. Okay? Ano naman yung problema nyo na yan? Kaya nyo na yan, Pablo. Okay? But Sonara is slowly building. But of course, sa mga dun sa mga madami mga 18 ang talagang automatically supports Sonara. And deserving naman sila. They're very talented. They're not perfect, 'di ba? But I think yun naman talaga yung kailangan sa isang girl group. Kasi girl group nga yan 'di ba? You're not gonna get ilan yung Sonara, 'di ba? Ilan yung Sonara? 7. You're not gonna get 7 Regine Velasquezes. You're not gonna get 7 Sarah Geronimos to form a P-pop group. Okay? If you find one Sarah Geronimo, she's gonna be a Sarah Geronimo. Diba? You're stupid kung pagsasamahin mo yon, because as one Sarah Geronimo is equals one P-pop group. Okay? If somehow by extreme luck makahanap ka ng isang Sarah Geronimo, you're gonna be stupid to put that girl in a girl group. Okay, much less napakatanga mo pag nakahanap ka ng 7 Sarah Geronimo tapos nilagay mo sa isang girl group when they can be 7 Sarah Geronimos. Di ba? Katangahan yun. Di ba? So, people in girl groups, as talented as they are, I don't know, maybe one day one of them would rise the same way that Beyonce did with Destiny's Child, with Nicole Schwarzenegger. But then again, those groups were formed to support those mega talents to begin with. That's really the play. They have a very charismatic lead singer, and then they built a group around her, 'di ba? Tingin ko ganun ang ginawa nila, aminin man nila o hindi, sina Beyonce. Or you can follow the K-pop model where each member ng Blackpink becomes cultural icons by themselves. But for Sonara and most P-pop groups so far, they're talented artists, but they're not really, aminin na natin, they're not really the best singers by OPM standards. Okay, you have to admit that. Okay, and that's fine, diba? Because if you find, again, the point stands. You don't need a Regine Velasquez, a Sarah Geronimo to build a girl group. Will a Regine Velasquez, a Sarah Geronimo do well in a girl group? Of course, they're gonna dominate. But it's not the wisest business decision to do so, because they can generate more records, more sales by themselves. Bakit pa nila kailangan ng kasama kung kaya na nila mag-isa? Kasi ang galing nila eh. Good news yan to girls who are not as good as a singer, kasi these are opportunities and may collective power yan eh. 'Di ba? Kaya nga merong designations yung mga boy groups, girl groups na yan, 'di ba? Kasi you don't need to do everything. 'Di ba? Merong dancer, merong visual, merong singer, rapper. Tingin ko magkakapantay lang sa sa importance yung singing. At least hindi naman na I'm not saying you should settle for the bare minimum. Parang could carry a tune tapos pwede ka na, 'di ba? Of course you're gonna have to seek the best. And here in the Philippines, you can imagine a lot of great singers audition for Sonara, 'di ba? And I'm sure the management picked kung sinong tingin nila ay best doon sa mga nag-audition. If you ask me, my personal opinion, on equal footing yung galing sa pagsayaw, 'di ba? On equal footing yung ganda, 'di ba? Kasi kailangan maganda ka eh. Kasi idol group 'yan eh, 'di ba? Kailangan maganda kang sumayaw. Kumbaga, hindi ka pwedeng pang mid TikTok lang yung skills mo sa pagsayaw. Lutang na lutang ka doon. I think pinaka-importante, kailangan magkakasundo kayo ng mga kagrupo mo, 'di ba? Yung attitude mo towards the vision ng grupo, towards your co-members, and your work ethics and discipline. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Pero Comics Man, bakit naman yung SB19, 'di ba? Ang gagaling nila. At least 3 sa kanila, super galing talaga. Yan eh. Sasagutin natin yan sa ibang pagkakataon. Comment nyo kung gusto nyo malaman kung ano yung explanation ko dyan. Anyway, as for the video itself, I'm not convinced with the storytelling. The name is Comics Man. I am a visual storyteller, and I don't think they communicated what the video is supposed to be about. I'm thinking this is supposed to be a video about women friends, girlfriends who succeeded in and struggled to fix an old car, 'di ba? But one, it's not realistic. If the goal is to present them as cute women, then they succeeded in that. But if the story is supposed to be parang they struggled, then it failed because hindi sila nagrasahan sa kamay, di ba? Ang gaganda pa rin nila. So I don't know, it's kung ganun yung kwento, hindi siya, it's a silly caricature if that's the case. But if the goal is to just present them as cute women, then that's what they did. There's a very minimal use of tools, but of course, alam nga namang pakita mong nagpapalit sila ng gulong. Medyo weird din naman yun. And but I guess sana parang pinakita nila na mukha silang nahirapan talaga. Hindi sila pinawisan eh. Yun lang naman. Otherwise, but that's not on Sonara. That's on the director. Diba? As for the song, I like the song. Mas gusto ko to kaysa dun sa Tabi. Like I mentioned before, this is a much more girly, feminine, and softer side of Sonara. And even the choreography is I like it a lot better, 'di ba? Than the choreography for Tabi. Hindi ko na ulitin yung mga sinabi ko about that. Actually, hindi ko na nga na-release yung ano eh. May part 2 pa yun eh. Natamad akong mag-edit. Sobrang haba kasi. Masyado akong napadaldal dun. But this is a good song. And we are looking forward for more soon.